Have you felt like giving up? Let me share with you my story. I grew up in a rough neighborhood in a third world country. My neighbors were crackheads and drug dealers, but I knew there was something better for me. So after PT school, I made my way to New York with only $50 in my pocket. I got a measly pay as a licensed physical therapist because I needed papers. I had to collect cans and recycle them for 5 cents each so that I can have grocery money. I had to split the Chinese takeout lunch special so I can have lunch and dinner. But I continue to work hard and serve people. Now I have built a successful business and continue to serve and transform people's lives. But I'm still afraid of struggling, and it's that fear that keeps pushing me forward. How about you? Was there a time when you felt like giving up but kept driving forward? I would love to hear about it. Let me know down below.